Let's continue discussing websites, multimedia platforms, and other apps. A web-based tool called Twitter Trails utilizes an algorithm to examine how a news spreads and how individuals respond to it. The program tracks user skepticism as well as the story's dissemination. A web-based dashboard called Hamilton 2.0 offers up-to-date data on Russian misinformation and propaganda online. It achieves this by monitoring a large number of Twitter accounts with Russian connections that are involved in swaying news in Europe and the United States. On Twitter, YouTube, broadcast television, and state-run news websites, the tool analyzes the storylines and subjects that the Russian government and state-backed media support. IOA. This tool is a repository of publicly accessible and attributed information from well-known online information operations from visible and undeleted posts on Twitter and Reddit attributed to Russian and Iranian actors. The database presently has over 10 million messages from state-sponsored Twitter and Reddit influence campaigns from Russia and Iran, and it will continue to grow. Users can construct an anonymous profile using this service, after which they can track the political and other adverts they view as well as the reasons for their targeting. In order to create a database of political advertising and targeting, the program can give users statistics on who or what has been targeting them. The IFI Quotient is a web application that searches Facebook and Twitter using NewsWhip to find sites that have a reputation for being biased or for frequently publishing misleading information. The percentage of URLs on each site that are IFI, or known for reporting inaccurate or misleading information, is then calculated by the program. To promote media and information literacy, IREX created the Learn to Discern online games. The curriculum provides methods for spotting false information. Newsumid is a set of free online tools, exercises, and workshops designed to develop practical media literacy abilities. Bad news. With the use of this tool, users should be able to better comprehend the methods used to spread misinformation. By placing users in the role of a news baron for fake news, this game exposes players to the strategies used to spread false information about them. By posting headlines that garner the most followers, players succeed. This game-like program aimed to improve users' abilities to spot misleading information. Players use a Tinder-like interface to swipe left or right to indicate whether they believe the quotation, author, and context, which were taken from the fact-checking website PolitiFact, to be true or false. Scores are anonymously recorded and contrasted with the best results of others. News Literacy Course Pack. The News Literacy Course Pack from Stony Brook is a media literacy program that aims to give students the abilities they'll need to be informed and involved information consumers in the 21st century. It addresses issues like locating and assessing sources, analyzing data, prejudice, and the economics of the media business. It is accessible to everyone for auditing, however, enrollment is necessary to receive full course credit. A program called Project Look Sharp encourages media and digital literacy through the creation of instructional materials and workshops for teachers. Putting Civic Online Reasoning in Civics class. In the Civic Online Reasoning program, a project of the Stanford History Education Group, students are taught how to evaluate the reliability of online content through activities and assessments. Additionally, it creates rubrics that can be applied to evaluating student achievement. The City University of New York offers a 6-week online journalism and news literacy course titled Making Sense of the News. It contains instruction from academics at the University of Hong Kong and Stony Brook University and covers subjects including recognizing bias, assessing sources, and producing and disseminating information. Mozilla's Web Literacy is a collection of games and tools designed to encourage media literacy by educating people on how to communicate effectively online. On the Mozilla platform, there are resources for learning and a community for socializing. Truth Goggles. A web-based program called Truth Goggles 2.0 asks users to read claims, interact with PolitiFact's analysis of those claims, and then read the claims once more in order to deliver factual information to biased audiences. This project is being carried out by the Duke Reporters Lab. The first tool was an automated piece of software that highlighted dubious statements in publications, but the updated version is still in development since 2017. The News Literacy Project is a media literacy course that teaches students how to read and analyze the news. It has both online and offline components.